Hi friends, again Umarani Purushothaman welcoming you all to my research page. So now I will tell you how to select the journal. I told you about EGC CARE listed journal. I am going to tell you how you have to select, because many journals are predatory journals, fake journals. You should not fall a prey to that. Okay, so for that only I thought I will tell you how you have to select the journal. Okay, first the very simple way is, maybe you might have some colleagues who would have already published in many journals. You can seek their guidance. That is the simplest way. But there is nobody to guide you means, then don't worry. There are n number of ways how you can search and find out whether the journal is good or not. First one, I will tell you, you can type in Google UGC CARE approved list journals. If you ask that, and then you can type whatever somebody is telling you, International Journal of Management Science, like that they are telling you the journal name, it comes under Scopus. You can type that correct words without any error. If you type, if that is there, it will show you. If that is not there, then you can understand that is a fake journal. So this is how you can find out under the UGC CARE approved list journal. Then there is another search engine where you can type as Journal Finder offered by Jane, Jane. If you type like that, then it will ask you your title of the article. Suppose my title is assistance for agricultural marketing through NAM, NAM. That is my title. I will type the title. It will ask for my abstract. I will give my abstract. Then it will ask for my keywords. I have to type my keywords there. Then it will say what journal you want to find. Field. Maybe I will say agriculture, or I can say management, or I can say marketing. Whatever name I type, then it will show me the journal. And apart from that, it will show the marketing journal. Immediately it will say that this is the acceptance rate. If the acceptance rate is very low, please don't accept. Then it will say how much money you have to pay, what is the impact factor, what is the citation. All this I will explain you later. All that it will very clearly give you when it will be published. Everything details will be there. So please go for that search engine like Journal Finder offered by Jane. Then there is another one thing called as Journal Finder offered by Elsewhere. I told you Elsewhere is a publisher. They also give you the journal list. There also they will ask you your journal title, your abstract, your keywords. Then that will show you which journal is there. Everything will be clearly given. Please go there and check it. Instead of paying money for fake journals and worrying later, please this is the right way. Then there is one thing called a search engine called a Springer Nature. There also is list of journals you can get. Edan's Journal Sector, there also you can get. SJR Journal, NLM Catalog. I will just show you the PPT where it is very clearly mentioned. You can select from the following list. First you go for Google search, then you enter UGC CARE approved list journal. If you enter, then you can go for that website and you can write your journal name. Wherever somebody is telling this is the journal you want to publish, then you write the journal name. It will tell you whether the journal is true or whether it is a listed or whether it is a fake journal. Then they also give you the list of added journals, removed journals. You can find out and then see that you are not publishing in the removed journal list. Then search in the Journal Finder. Type in the Google Journal Finder by Jane, Jane. Then it will tell you, ask you to give you your title, then as I told you, your abstract, everything you will give, and then they will show you the journal where you can publish. Springer Nature, that is another finder. Then Edan's Journal Selector. Now this also you can go and you can check. SJR is a ranking journal, that will tell you whether the journal ranking is high or low. Then NLM Catalog, that also you can check. As I told you, you can approach your seniors. So friends, please don't fall a prey to these fake journals. As I have given you the list, please go through the list. You can very easily search through the search engines and find out whether the journal you have chosen is the correct listed journal or not. And I am telling you again, this will definitely help you to publish in high impact journal, so you can also enjoy the fruits of that. With this I will wind up and meet you again tomorrow. Thank you friends.